Boaters, we just took in this 2023 Supra SE 550. This is a one-owner boat off a Whitefish chain, 354 hours, and I want to show you everything that I love about Supra. Starting in the back, you have your board rack storage back there, transom, audio remote, flip up seats with storage underneath here and little hooks so you can put wet rope or life jackets in here. You have a full walkthrough coming into this boat with Chiltec black vinyl, makes this boat look super sharp. Power tower, standard tented board racks, and of course the Supra, you have your bolster seat, storage everywhere. You have your passenger touchscreen, and of course dual screens on the driver's side. Walking into this, two different ways you can set up your bow. You can either have a walkthrough with the gator step here, or flip it over for a huge bow filler cushion. Nice spot to hang out on this boat. Again, this boat just got to MarineMax Nisswa. Come check it out today.